In this problem, we are asked to simplify 12x to the 2/3 times y to the 1/2 divided by 3x to the 1/3 times y to the 3/4. When we say simplify an expression like this, we are referring to a form which contains no zero exponent, no negative exponent, and no fractional exponent in the denominator. So we start with 12 divided by 3, and that is equal to 4. And x to the 2/3 divided by x to the 1/3 is x to the 2/3 minus 1/3. And for the y terms, we have y to the 1/2 minus 3/4. Or 4x to the 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3 times y to the 1/2 minus 3/4. 1/2 can also be written as 2/4. 2/4 minus 3/4 is negative 1/4. We cannot stop here because we still have a negative exponent. To make that positive, we can write this as 4x to the 1/3 over y to the 1/4. But now we have a fractional exponent in the denominator. And we cannot refer to this as in simplified form. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by a y term so that the resulting exponent will no longer be a fraction. And the nearest is 1. And that will only happen if this y will have an exponent equal to 3/4. So that when you add 1/4 plus 3/4, that is 4/4 or 1. That will have to be the same exponent for the y in the numerator. And combining, we have 4x to the 1/3 times y to the 3/4 all over y to the 1/4 plus 3/4 or 4/4 or 1. So this fraction satisfies our requirement. You can see there are no zero exponents, no negative exponents, and there is no fractional exponent in the denominator.